योगी, एक कर्मयोगी, एक सबके सहयोगी, सबके हमदर्द, सबके साथ प्रीति करने वाले थे। और ये जो नगरी है अमरावती, देवतल राजधानी, देवतल राजधानी ये अमरावती अब देवतल राजधानी योगधानी हो गया है। और इस देवताओं की राजधानी अब बनाना से भी ज्यादा नेचुरल फार्मिंग, ये दिस इज द विजन फॉर ऑल ओवर इंडिया, नॉट ओनली फॉर आंध्रा। नेचुरल फार्मिंग, तो ऐसे नेचर प्रेमी, कल्चर प्रेमी, योग प्रेमी, सर्वजन प्रेमी, ऐसे हमारे चंद्रबाबू नायडू जी को हम प्रणाम करते हैं। देश का प्रधानमंत्री जी का सपना एक स्वस्थ समृद्ध विकसित भारत बने, एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत, स्वावलंबी आत्मनिर्भर भारत, सेल्फ इंडिपेंडेंस एवरीवेयर, तो और इंडिजीनियस सब जगह भारत और भारतीयता, उस आत्मनिर्भर स्वावलंबी विकसित भारत बनाने के लिए एक स्वस्थ समृद्ध परम वैभवशाली संस्कारवान जगतगुरु विश्वगुरु भारत बनाने के लिए जिनकी प्रतिबद्धता है, मैं करता हूं कि जो है आज हम सब एक संकल्प लें, योग प्रति बने, आयुर्वेद प्रति बने, स्वदेशी प्रति बने। और ये जो एक विजन है देश के प्रधानमंत्री जी का कि हम सब मिलकर के योगा फॉर हेल्थी एजिंग, योगा फॉर एंटी एजिंग, योगा फॉर लॉन्जेविटी, योगा फॉर पावर। हाँ, योग में पावर भी, और पावर आपने यहाँ पूरी देख ली है। देखो उधर भी ऊपर चढ़े हुए बच्चे, ओ पीछे जी भी पैर ला करके।
By seeing children, extraordinary performance. I am watching him for the last 3 decades. When I became Chief Minister first time 95, then he was promoting yoga. I have seen earlier also I practiced yoga before also, but he made yoga a mass momentum. Before, so many people have done, confined to some individuals, some places. I have seen when he promoted yoga, amazing experience for me. Thousands of people voluntarily they are coming and they are sitting in the dais morning 5 o'clock or 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. Then hours together, you used to engage them and practice wherever you go. They have paid money also for expenditure, self-financing. That is the model he created and promoted yoga. Because of him, yoga has become mass momentum. On behalf of the country, I am thanking him. That is, I am appreciating our Honorable Prime Minister. First time, not only is following yoga, today, tomorrow, 190 countries are going to participate in yoga. That is our gift our Honorable Prime Minister has given for the global community. You are all watching. Globe is in turmoil, geopolitical situation, and also families' values are deteriorating. Everybody is attached to materialistic happiness. Materialistic happiness cannot give holistic happiness. It may give some happiness, but at the end of the day, every person in this world should follow spirituality. It will control your mind, body, organs, proper thinking, proper happiness. Best family values in the world even today. We have to protect it. We have to hand over to future generations. That is only the way. I am very happy Baba Ramdev ji as a mission is working. When I asked him to come here, without hesitating 1 minute, I am coming. Then he told me, I asked him to come one day in early. He said, I am coming 2 days in advance. Then I will, then he came with all of you. Now today completely historical places is going there and he is giving interviews from historical places. You have seen his body. It is just like plastic. He can do anything, but we cannot do that. But we have to maintain 30 minutes or 1 minute.
This is the practice. And yoga is a discipline of body, mind, thoughts, emotions, and action. Yoga is a lifestyle for all. Yoga is a way of treatment for ill person. Yoga is a way of self-realization for a yogi. So yoga is a journey of self-healing to self-realization to character realization. Yoga is a creation in life. Yoga
65. But if you see, he is around 10 years or 12 years youngster, body is totally flexible. What all he wanted to command, his body will listen and act. It's an amazing experience. That is where we should not misuse our body. Sometimes operations. What you are doing, you are cutting our body. Either heart operation or cancer operation or some other operations. It is with us how to live healthy, happy and also wealthy. That is where we wanted to build. That is plausible, holistic approach. Spirituality, technology, both has to go together. Technology should not become addiction. Without technology, we cannot lead. So both is very important. That is where I wanted to teach all my party functionaries and also I want to teach my government officers. I want to teach public also continuously to make Andhra Pradesh a spiritual hub. With this, thank you, very nice of you. This is a historical day for me and also in Undavalli caves. Padmanabha Swami is watching all of us. With this, I am thanking all of you. God bless for all of us. Thank you, Ananta.